Hello guys, welcome back once again. Today I'm gonna tell you the most important thing that you must carry with you when you are going for a long ride with your children. As my opinion, when I go for any ride, for long ride, I carry some most important things with me, so which is very important. Here I have, so I will show you in detail. Number one, this CTZ medicine. It is most important for your child, especially for my son. Whenever he goes in new places, he can have allergies, skin rashes, anything. So it will help him to recover or to treat his rashes or allergies. Another thing is this rhinosol. Changing the climate and the places, he can get another fluenza infection or allergies, so that will make him nostril block, so that it will help to unblock the nostril. So the most important thing according to the area of our country, this is, I can show you, Odomus. This is mosquito repellent cream, because if any places of our country there are lots of mosquitoes, and it will protect from mosquito bites. This is optional, and this is a thermometer if he suffers from fever, and this is anti-plus if he got any kind of scratches or wound, and for cleaning his ear, and this paracetamol tablet whenever he suffers from fever. And another, our country is not so cold, so that I must need this fan. This is not rechargeable, because rechargeable battery cannot last long, cannot run for long time, so that it is battery. You can use AA batteries, and I must carry 6 or 7 pairs of batteries, so that it can help him for 2 or 4 days running this fan, so that he can sleep easily on hot season or hot weather. So these are the most important thing. And another, the changing clothes. You can carry 3 or 4 pairs of changing clothes with panties, underwears, or with the towels. So these are the things most important for me when I go for a long ride with my son. So thank you very much for watching this video. See you on the next video. Till then, have a nice day. Namaste.